This is Austin with Nation Media, and in this video guide, I'm going to explain how to upgrade a Nation Builder website using the Impact Public theme, which of course we made, to one of our premium themes. So what we'll start off with first is custom templates. So you're going to want to delete and then, if necessary, remake all custom templates that your website is currently utilizing. What I mean by that is, let's go to a demo. So your website, you want to go through all the pages and look at the type column up here. And what you're looking for is custom in parentheses. Of course, you want to go through all your pages on the website, including all the subpages of parent pages. What you'll do is for each page, you'll click custom. You'll scroll down, and you don't want to just click delete custom template. What you want to do is you want to go through the template and find why you created the custom template in the first place, which is probably to implement some custom code. In this case, in this demo, it is an iframe. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that custom code. Then we will delete the custom template. Then we will create a new custom template and paste the code back in, saving and publishing. What this effectively did is it made a new custom template that's compatible with one of our premium themes, whereas the old one may only have been compatible with the Impact Public theme. Of course, if you go through the template and you do not find any custom code and you're not really sure why you created the custom template in the first place, or it may have been an accident or some sort of test, you can just go ahead and delete the custom template without finding the code and copying and pasting it. So that's it for the custom templates while upgrading. In terms of featured content sliders, they're utilized a little bit differently in the Impact Public theme and in default Nation Builder functionality in general than they are in our premium themes. So we see that the About page on the Impact Demo theme is utilizing a featured content slider, and it's actually a slider where it has a headline, a subheadline, and a button that links to the page to feature. This is still available in our premium themes, but it's actually a content block that you have to implement. It is not the default setting. In our premium themes, the featured content sliders are simply used at, oops, that was not where I wanted to go. The featured content sliders are simply used as background images in the hero sections or the header sections. So we see here the Sydney Harbor, the Eiffel Tower. These are background images against this headline and subheadline. Of course, on action pages, they're again background images. So the featured content sliders in our themes are background images by default, but they can be actual featured content sliders if you implement that. Going back to the back end, if we click 11, we go to the About page. We see that in our premium themes, the label, it's not showing up on the site, it's just a descriptor. This is actually just positioning the image, and this is just the page that it's on. The only thing that really matters in our premium themes for the featured content sliders is the background image. So what this means for you is you'll want to make sure that you're utilizing these as such unless you want to use the actual sliders in our themes. And also, since these are background images, they're going to resize according to the user's screen size, which means that you do not want to have text inside of these images. You want them to be just plain background images. So that is it for the featured content sliders, just slightly different functionality. The next thing is the background image. So on the Impact Public theme, background images are actually background images. On our premium themes, the background image is a full width image just above the footer. And by default, though, you can disable this. If you have Facebook and Twitter connected to your website, it will display a widget above this image. So that's what the background images do on our premium themes. Of course, I'll show you where the background image is if you don't already know. That's just under Site Settings, Background Image. Again, on the Impact Public theme, they're actually background images, but in our premium themes, those are replaced with featured content sliders. With the header image, in the Impact Public theme, it actually functions as a header image In our premium themes, it actually does not show up on the website at all. Instead, if you're using one of our email templates, it will show up as the email banner. But it will not show up on your website on our premium themes. Again, it is replaced by featured content sliders. So that's that. And then lastly, on impact, if you wanted a page to show up on the home page, you would tag it, or an excerpt of the page to show up on the home page, you would tag it home page. In our premium themes, you have to add layout space in front of it, so it is layout homepage, not just homepage. What you can do if you have a lot of pages tagged homepage, you don't know how to look for it, is you can go here, tag with homepage, click it, find the pages, and change the tag. Of course, I don't have any because this is an example of one of our premium themes, but you will need to change that when migrating. That's about it. Everything else will work the same. So this was just the stuff you need to be aware of when switching. Otherwise, it's very seamless. So thanks for watching, and hope your transition is very smooth.